Good morning, seniors. It is time. It is FAFSA time. Brought to you by Cash for College and Gear Up. So, October is a month where you begin to fill out the free application for federal student aid or the California Dream Act in order for you to figure out how to financially support yourself after high school. Well, I am here to prepare you for it. There are two things that you're going to have to do. You're going to have to make sure to bring your parents' 2018 taxes. You're going to make sure that you and your parents fill out the FSA IDs. And you're going to bring some patience because it is going to take some time. So, on the days in which you decide to go to Cash for College, you're going to make sure to sign in because it's very important for the people who are going to be helping you. And you're going to make sure to take the survey. Now, why is this important? Well, in order for you to receive the best possible option for financial aid, you need to apply for financial aid as fast as possible. As you can see, there are many different type of awards that you can receive. Those of you who are going to be filling out the FAFSA can be receiving the Pell Grant, FCOG, SUG, Middle School Scholarship, EOP, Direct Loans, Plus Loans, Federal Work Study. And those of you going to be applying for the California Dream Act can too receive the Cal Grant, the SUG grant, the Middle Class Scholarship, and various other scholarship that is awarded through the financial aid. I encourage all of you to come to the College and Career Center to be able to find more information about this. I also suggest that you stop by E7 to be able to make sure that you have everything you need. But please, 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 listen to the time and dates in which the Cash for College is going to be available for you, and please show up. Thank you, and have a nice day.